I just finished this absolutely outstanding vintage Karl Griesbaum singing birdcage. Now this one's different than most for two reasons. This was actually a special anniversary model. It comes with the original tag celebrating the 50th anniversary of the Karl Griesbaum Company, which was founded in 1905, making this cage 1955. So it has the original tag. It also has the original box in very nice condition. There's a little dent on the top there, but you don't see the original box and tag very often. And it has a blue bird, and the blue birds are highly uncommon. They are my favorite. Absolutely wonderful condition. So I took everything apart, fully serviced this so it sings as it should. I have it wound. I'm going to start it off in the pause feature. Very long pause, indicating that the bellows and mechanical condition are pristine. We'll still wait. Wait for one more pause and then we'll turn it to continuous. Bear with me. Now I'm going to turn it to continuous mode. The bird sings with full voice, hitting all of the proper oscillating notes, animates flawlessly. The original blue feathers are in wonderful condition. It's a true survivor. And the mechanism runs smoothly and quietly. I'm going to turn it off. So in summary, an absolutely outstanding vintage Karl Griesbaum singing birdcage, 50th anniversary model with the original tag and box, in absolutely wonderful condition. Take care.